Hey guys, so today I would like to share my new sketchbook. It's a watercolor sketchbook again, and I would like you to pay attention to the last part of the sketchbook because I would like to film a new step-by-step drawing, and it is going to be dedicated to this last part of the sketchbook. So it's mostly buildings, but also a few boats. And at the end of the video, you are going to see a few doors and windows, and I might choose one of them to film a step-by-step video. Alright, so this sketchbook is not really completed yet, but I just want to let you know how it's going and show you the sketches I've made so far. So this one is an old house in the UK, and then this one here are two variations of a street view in Italy. And actually I did film a step-by-step drawing of this one, so I will link in the description to this step-by-step video. I really like this one because it's really like an abstract painting almost, and I had so much fun doing this plants here, so yeah, I liked it a lot. And so this next page is all about boats, and they are very different, as you may see. So this one is like an abstract watercolor painting of New York, so it's very like in the gray colors, with just a few accents of yellow for this boat, ferry boat, and for the sky. And then again here it's very different because it's a trip to a Pacific island, and so this canoe is so I find it's lovely. It's like an invitation to travel, and the colors are so bright and inviting. So yeah, and I have a few more boats. This one is a sunset, so I did a step-by-step drawing for this one as well, and another version of it that you can see actually here. Yeah, so it's like this child playing with a coconut and the boat behind, and I have tried another one here. And so this one is more like a cityscape with a few boats. It was like on a weekend, so everybody was out with their boat because it was quite of a windy day. And here we have like a few sketches of boats in Brittany. So I believe I have a step-by-step drawing for this one as well on the YouTube channel, so maybe there will be a few links in the description of other videos that you could watch. And so this is the part I wanted to show you in particular. As you can see, these are a few sketch drawings, watercolor sketch drawings of doors and windows. So this one, I like it a lot because you can see how big the door looks because of this tiny child and the bigger child next to her. So that's why I like it. Like the stones, they look almost disproportionate compared to the children. And this one is also an old door on a French building. And then we have these two, which are, this is a window in Lyon, that's in France as well, and this is a door in Italy. I believe it's in Venice. So I was actually hesitating between these two, and I intend to do a step-by-step video of one of those two paintings, either this one or this one. So this is going to come in the weeks ahead. And let me know in the comments if you prefer this one or that one, so you can just comment window or door. So thanks for watching, and do not hesitate to subscribe and leave me a comment.